Hey guys, hope you are doing well. The crypto market does. So we see a nice green pumpy Friday. Bitcoin broke 45,000 US dollar, and we'll see if how the weekend will go. My name is Mike Denkler from CorionX, and I'm bringing the most important crypto news, technical analysis, altcoin, NFT, DeFi gems every day to keep you updated and educated. I should state that nothing in this video can be considered as a financial or investment advice, so everything just for your education and entertainment purposes only. So please smash those like, push the bell notification, or subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so. It's quite important for the YouTube algorithm. And let's share my screen and let's go check our favorite bubble chart. You see Bitcoin is just up 1% in a day, for traded around 43,400, and also Ethereum at 3,100, just in slightly zero. But we see few altcoins are correcting, like ADA, Dash, Ape, Near, Helium, Avalanche, Doge, but Rune, Curve, and Chili's are pumping well. So good to see that Rune started to go up to 150% in a month. So guys, let's go and check the crypto fear and greed indicator. Let's see, where are we now? So the index is at 47. So we are back in the neutral zone. So that's huge after a huge just spending almost since middle of November in the extreme fears. Then the index trying to break up to the neutral zone, and this is the second attempt that we see. And if the prices, also altcoins and bitcoins, will pumping, that will see the investor sentiment will turning from fear to greed, and from bearishness to bullishness. So let's go and check our favorite first news, that Bitcoin hits 43,000 US dollar, but traders want to see a few daily closes here before a move higher. So why this is so? Because there is a huge resistance at 43 and 46,000 US dollar range, and we need to spend some times that the price movement can flip this resistance to support. So Bitcoin is breaking out from the weekly ascending triangle. This is from Rack Capital. So you see these weekly candles, and it seems that we have this ascending triangle, and just Bitcoin broke out. Upside wicks beyond the ascending triangle. Top have happened before orange cycles. And also this is a chart from we do have these resistance zones here. $44,000, 46,000 is a very important zero zone for bullish to break. Yes, so definitely there it is. Let's go and check our next news. ExxonMobil is using excess natural gas to power crypto mining, says reports. So the oil and gas giant launched the pilot program in January 2021 and is now reportedly considering expanding it to Nigeria, Argentina, Guyana, and Germany. So guys, ExxonMobil is doing the test was launched in North Dakota and to run Bitcoin miners. The company launched the pilot program in January 2021. It is creating use of what would be otherwise wasted, said Daniel Fugere, president of environmental shareholder advocacy group, as you saw, referring to the energy being diverted to Bitcoin miners. Okay, so that's huge. And also Mesori is reporting that miners seek out inefficiency around the world, looking for stranded and wasted energy sources, including stranded natural gas, stranded geothermal energy, coal refuse, recycled waste, tires. So this is that can be used for producing energy to Bitcoin miners. So ExxonMobil is doing great with this and also extending this pilot to other countries. Next, Russia Energy Committee Chair, we will take Bitcoin for oil and gas. So guys, one of the biggest oil company, ExxonMobil, is mining Bitcoin, and the Russia oil and gas producers are selling their products for Bitcoin. The chair of the State Duma Committee on Energy said Russia would accept Bitcoin for its energy exports, at least from China and Turkey. So, China, I think, one of the biggest in energy consumptions. So that will be kind of interesting to see this unfolding. Russia's energy and oil production is keeping the country's economy afloat as it contends with sanctions. Vladimir Putin said unfriendly countries must pay for energy in rubles. Pavel Zavalny has indicated that Turkey and China can use Bitcoin. So guys, some friendly countries can use Bitcoin, but unfriendly countries just rubles or nothing, because the unfriendly countries will not purchase oil and gas because the sanctions. But great to see, because this is not just the huge giants, the monopolies like oil, gas monopolies dealing with Bitcoin, but also countries just selling their resources and asking Bitcoin for that. Next piece of news is SEC could approve spot Bitcoin ETFs as early as 2023, Bloomberg analyst says. Once crypto exchanges are compliant, the SEC's primary reason for denying spot Bitcoin ETFs would no longer be valid, likely clearing the way for approval. So first we need this Biden's order execution to see, and then crypto and Bitcoin regulation, and then we will see these spot ETFs. So this is quite interesting. Let's go and check our next news. That was news previously, but I forgot to pull it up. Okay. Colorado to become first U.S. state to accept cryptocurrency tax payments. Governor says state will accept crypto payments converted into a dollar value, which would then be deposited in the state treasury. Okay, so if they will convert it to dollar, then I don't see too many reasons for that, but maybe later they will change their mind. Governor Polis is proud to lead efforts to create a strong and dynamic crypto ecosystem that puts Colorado at the forefront of digital innovation. So guys, that was the news yesterday that Florida, Austin, and and one of other city, but I don't remember, is entering this huge accepting Bitcoin bandwagon. Next piece of news is Bitcoin could drop to this key support level before exploding by over 230%, says Bloomberg analyst Mike McLone. Okay, if you buy Bitcoin is at around 41,000, I think maybe in less than a year you should expect to go around 100,000. So let's quote from him: we might easily see 30,000 first, and I fully expect that kind of the risk reward, because 30,000 has been the key support. If the tide goes out, which I expect it in equities, I fully expect Bitcoin to drop with it, gold to continue outperforming, and then Bitcoin and gold to came out ahead. Now that's a scenario. Now if I'm wrong, that the stock market just keeps going straight up again, Bitcoin will outperform like it has. Key thing about crypto is they are the speculative access example of the future. They can trade 24/7, 18,000 of them. You know what happened in Shiba Inu and things like those. That's just silly. But Bitcoin is the god in the space, and it's still speculative. I just really think it needs to be shaken out a little bit and then go back up as a whole market. So this Bloomberg analyst Mike McGlone just expect Bitcoin will drop maybe to 30,000 and then explode from there. Next, Ethereum price to explode soon with Ethereum flipping Bitcoin. This is what traders can expect. So Ethereum price analysis, yes, we will look into the trading view. So Ethereum broke 3,100. Ethereum is approaching the neckline of the inverted head and shoulders pattern, needs to confirm still. So Raw Paul is talking about this inverted head and shoulders. I don't think that this is an inverted head and shoulders. I rather would think that this is a kind of W pattern that we see here unfolding. And yes, one day Bitcoin can flip Bitcoin in market cap, and also the Ethereum BTC charts looks like a running consolidation and should move towards the top of the flag and then break out in due course. So yes, so it's Ethereum started to go up in this range, so we will see going to upper trend line of this channel. Let's go to our next news. Ethereum market cap flips MasterCard and Bank of America. So that's huge, guys, because all those huge card issuers are the biggest card issuers and card companies on the world. Despite Ethereum's recent surge is still miles behind that of JP Morgan Chase, whose market cap is currently around 412 billion. However, the bank's market cap pairs significantly against Bitcoin, which is currently over 800 billion. Interestingly, the Ethereum market cap within the last 7 days surged by 10%. What is behind Ethereum's current bull run? Yes, the expectation of the Ethereum 2.0 merge, the proof of stake will be also energy friendly, environment friendly, and this is one of the reasons. And guys, let's go and check on these charts that what we see. Just let me refresh. So gold, Apple, Microsoft, Saudi, Aramco, Alphabet, Amazon, Silver, Tesla, and Bitcoin. And then if we are scrolling down, JP Morgan Chase 419 billion, and Ethereum at 373 billion. And Ethereum is bigger than Bank of America, the second biggest bank, MasterCard, and I don't know where is Visa. Maybe Visa. Where is Visa? Yes, Visa. Visa. Where is Visa? Visa is much smaller than than MasterCard. Where is Visa, guys? Okay, where is Visa? I don't see. Yeah, Visa is here at the 15th. Okay, so Visa is a little bit higher than the JP Morgan, so not flipped yet, but time will tell. JP Morgan, Bank of America, ICSB, and yes, cool. Good to see that. Let's go and check our next news. Bullish outlook for Cardano and Bitcoin. Here is what's next for ADA BTC price. So Cardano's being at the next major resistance at 1.2 US dollar. I think Cardano ADA will consolidate there for a while, and I don't expect that a new all-time high coming soon, but you never know. Next piece of news is X Infinity price up to 22% in the last 24 hours. Here is why. So they are working with the Sky Mavis developer team, and also they are working on to improve community governance in the eponymous game and progressive decentralized in economy. Okay, so actually they will bolster community with governance, and they will give out nearly $2 billion US worth treasury to the community. this will increase staking rewards and encourage community participation. So this is the reason why Axie Infinity has pumped. So guys, that's it. Let's go and check my Twitter feed. Definitely follow me at MIKLOSDentler, follow at Korean Platform, and also follow at laserpunk_gods, our NFT launchpad. So, nations, Bitcoin and crypto adoption is closer than you think. Russia is considering selling oil and gas for Bitcoin. Biden's crypto order will be followed by clear regulation and mass crypto adoption, and then we will see a spot Bitcoin ETF. The global game theory is just now starting to grab, more and more Bitcoins. Okay, the global claim theory is real from Pump. Have you ever thought that one of the biggest oil company will mine Bitcoin in one day? And it's mining BTC, not gold, BTC. So you can listen this, and I think the funny part starting somewhere here.
I own Chevron. I own Exxon.
Okay, they're both. Exxon and Chevron will both mine Bitcoin before the end of the decade.
Why would they mine Bitcoin?
Because it's the single most valuable thing they can do to monetize their energy production. There's nothing in the world that they can make more money on than turning that energy production into Bitcoin.
Well,
mine.
So guys, Anthony Pompliano just predicted, I don't know when, maybe a few years ago, then that Exxon and Chevron will mine Bitcoin, and Exxon is already mining. So let's get this from Dennis Porter. If you think Bitcoin can go to 10 million US dollar per coin, it is because you haven't calculated in nation, state, and central bank adoption. Okay, where are the laser eyes? We need laserpunk gods to mint NFTs of these awesome pioneers, CZ Binance and Nayib Bukele. So Bitcoin on its way to the next levels, 46,000. It's a very important zone for the bulls to break. I expect short-term pullback in this zone, especially we are heading into the weekend, and in the next few days or next week towards 50,000 being agreed week for now. And also exciting to follow if Bitcoin will confirm the trend towards the upper trend line of this ascending triangle on the monthly chart. Okay guys, so that's it. Let's go and check our farms. If you are holding ARC20 version of Binance Punching version of CorionX, go to provide liquidity on Uniswap and on PancakeSwap and look up your LPs and earn up to 330% APRs. So nice juicy APRs to make more CorionX out of it. Let's go and check our charts. Now today is Friday when you will see this video. Maybe there will be Saturday, but Bitcoin is forming this W pattern. Now we are at the neckline, and also we are here in this resistance. Bitcoin tried to break this resistance once, twice, third, fourth, and this is the fifth times that Bitcoin trying to break this resistance. So I expect this resistance level will be strong, and we will spend more time to get more fundamentals. And yes, so the Bitcoin dominance started to go down, and now I would just see if it will play out. But during the weekend, if Bitcoin will not dropping back, then just consolidating, we can expect some nice juicy altcoin runs. So guys, Ethereum is at 3,100, broke out and reached our next target at 3,200, almost 3,200, and now just consolidating. So maybe we will retest 3,000 US dollar, but we see a W pattern and the neckline has been broken. So guys, write in the comment section which top altcoins do you want us to look into and do some short technical analysis, and also smash those like, push the bell, also follow laserpunk related news, and I think the bounty campaign is still running, so definitely check out and participate, because if you are doing let's see, 3 tasks, and then you will be granted, the first 5 people will be granted, the first 5 participants will be granted with the guarantees NFTs. So guys, definitely check it out and join our bounty campaign. So here you see the most important things that you should check out. So guys, that's it for today. See you tomorrow. Bye bye. Enjoy your weekend. Spend time with family. Bye bye.